Hey friends, Joe Torito here. I thought I would show you some of my collection. As many of you might know, crazy about baseball and I'm crazy about photography, of course. So my photography studio in recent years has kind of transformed into a baseball museum. So here's some of my favorite pieces that are displayed out here in the studio. So what you're looking at here is a full collar jersey from the turn of the 20th century. It relates to the dead ball era, which was before 1920. And if you see, this full collar is kind of popped up like this and attached with a safety pin. I displayed it this way because of Ty Cobb. I was kind of inspired by the way he would wear his jerseys with that collar popped up like that. So another cool feature of this jersey is the detachable sleeve. So you can see that button right there on the sleeve. And the sleeves are kind of a dark navy blue to match the collar. Can't really see it that well because of the light. But anyway, also in this cabinet are some dead ball era bats. And I'll open that up and show you. These bats are decal bats, and they're in pretty good shape for being over 100 years old. These are very collectible, highly collectible. And also some interesting things about these bats are the handles and the different ways that they were experimenting. You see this one has like a copper wiring or something for the handle there. Again, it just shows the different ideas that people might have had about what was best and the experimentation that was going on. So let me swing around. This is a sculpture that I found at the Rochester Public Market this past summer. It's amazing some of the things they have that you can find there, treasure hunting. Some pictures, of course, I'm crazy about photography, and in particular some of these old baseball pictures that show some interesting uniforms and things like that. Let me swing around this way, and I'm going to introduce you to someone that guards over my artifacts when I am not here. This old boar, I think that if he was a baseball player, this old boar would have definitely been a catcher. So he is proudly wearing a chest protector from the turn of the century. So this is my first video, and I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, let me know, and I'll go through some more areas of my studio and show you some more of the collection. So thanks for watching.